My name is Sevja Imraborkar. Today I have discussed about human tissue. Tissue are made up of cells which have similar origin, structure, function. It is known as tissue. Tissue are group of cells which have uh, work together to perform a specific activity. Then study of tissue is known as histology. The study of tissue related disease is known as histopathology. Then in plants, tissue are divided into three types. First one is vascular tissue, ground tissue, and epidermal tissue. Then in animal, tissue are divided into four types. First one is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Then first one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is also known as epithelium. They are outer cover of skin and organ. They are also divided into two types: simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue are the single layer of cell. They are also divided into three types according to their shape. First one is squamous epithelial tissue. They are flat in shape. Then cuboidal epithelial tissue. They are cube in shape. Then columnar epithelial tissue. They are column in shape. Then stratified epithelial tissue. They are multicellular layer of cell. They are also divided into four types. First one is cuboidal cell epithelial tissue, then squamous epithelial tissue, then columnar epithelial tissue, and transitional epithelial tissue. In transitional epithelial tissue, they are specified types of cells, and they are present in urethra and urinary bladder. They are helps in shape and elasticity. Then function of epithelial tissue. First one is protection. Skin protects from the external environment. Then absorption. Stomach and intestinal lining absorb various nutrients from the food. Then filtration. Epithelial tissue present in kidney. It helps to filter out of toxic substances into the blood. Then secretion. The epithelial tissue present in glands, they are secretes useful substances. Then connective tissue. Connective tissue are the tissue. They connect, bind, separate, and support to the other type of tissues of the body. Then it binds to the organs and cells into the body. Then connective tissue fills the space inside the body with matrix made of fibers like liquid, solid, jelly-like substances. Then example of connective tissue. First one is bone, ligaments and tendons. Then areolar, then adipose, bone and cartilage. First one is blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. They are helps in transport of gases, nutrients, hormones, as well as elimination of waste material. Then ligaments and tendons. Ligaments are the fibrous, dense connective tissue. Ligaments are connect to bone to form the joints, and tendons connect to bone to muscles. Then areolar, it is loose connective tissue. It can be seen between muscles and cells uh, in the bone marrow, as well as around of the blood vessels and nerves. It helps to repair of tissues. Then it helps to connect of then adipose tissues. Adipose tissue are the loose connective tissue. They composed of mostly fat cells. It is called as adipocytes. Due to storage of fat, adipose tissue acts as an insulator. Then bone are the hard tissue. They are formed by skeleton. It helps to movement of the body. It helps to locomotion of the body. Then cartilage. Cartilage are the loose connective tissue. It is not hard connective tissue. They are present in certain parts of the body, like ear, nose, and joints. Then muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are made up of elasticity of cell. Then muscular tissue have four properties. First one is contractibility, second excitability, and extensibility, and elasticity. The muscular tissue are uh, fibrous in nature. Muscular tissue are divided into three types. So first one is cardiac muscular tissue, then smooth muscular tissue, and skeletal muscular tissue. First one is cardiac muscular tissue. They present only heart. They help to the pump of the blood throughout the body. They are involuntary in nature. Then skeletal muscular tissue. They are present. They are present in skeletal muscle. They are they have made up of strips and strains. They are also called as strengthened muscle. They are voluntary in muscle. They can control by us. Then then skeletal muscles are joined to the skeletal and bones. They are helps to the movement of the body, and they are framework of the body. And then the smooth muscular tissue. Smooth muscular tissue are not have they do not have strips and strains. They have only present in digestive system, internal organ of digestive system. They are smooth muscles. They are lining of digestive tracts and stomachs. Then nervous system, nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are present in nervous system. They consist of neurons. They helps the transmission of electrical impulses to the brain. It is found in brain and spinal cord. They are help in the nervous tissue on the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral system, peripheral nerves. It is found in spinal cord, nerves, spinal cord, peripheral nerves, and all parts of the nervous system. And it it is group of tissue. They are group of four types. First one is gray matter and white matter present in the brain, and neurons, nerves, and ganglia present in the peripheral nervous system. Nervous systems are also present in they are only present in brain. They are conduct the impulses for transmit the impulse to the brain to spinal cord. Thank you.